This is a short tutorial for how to find primary sources using our school databases. So we're going to begin on the library page and then go to the online database link right here. Now all the databases allow you to search for primary documents in different ways. So I'm going to start off with Gale, and so I'll select Student Resources and Context, which will take us to the Gale page. Let's look in U.S. History and Context for this. All the Gale databases have the same sort of interface, so what you see with this one you'll see in the others. You'll have to put in the username and password here to get access to the database. But you can see right at the top here that you can search directly for primary sources by just clicking on this link right here. And now you're just searching for primary sources. So if I put in a topic like the Women's Christian Temperance Union, and hit search, I'll get all these different primary sources right here. And over here it'll tell you what type of primary source document it is. And so that's how it works on Gale. With EBSCO it works a little differently. Now remember, EBSCO, you have to have your Mountain View Public Library card number, which we've given you. And if you don't have that number, just come into the library and we can give it to you. But the EBSCO database looks like this, and if we're still searching for a history topic, I would select maybe these two databases because they're good general academic databases, and then select the History Reference Center here, and hit continue. Now here, to find the primary sources, you need to go to an advanced search. And let's do the same topic, the Women's Christian Temperance Union. And scroll down here to see the publication type, and primary source document is right there. You could also look at pamphlet, for example, but let's do the primary source document and hit search. And what this will give you is sort of a combination of academic journals, which has some primary source information in it. And if you scroll down, you can see that primary source, when you get to something, it'll be indicated through this. And so you just click on this, and this gives you the text of the 1874 Constitution that you could use as a primary source document. Okay, so that's EBSCO, and then finally we have JSTOR, and JSTOR does it similar to EBSCO, and you have to do an advanced search here, and again we want to do Women's Christian Temperance Union, and we can narrow by the types of things here. These are just the different topics of ways that you can do it. So if you wanted to do like pamphlets, for example, you could do that, and that'll show you the pamphlets, for example, the address before the Second Biennial Convention of the Women's Christian Temperance Movement would be a pamphlet you could count as a primary source. And so here they are all listed here. Alright, so that is how you find primary sources on our databases. If you have any questions, please come into the library.